It's really important for us to understand the types and amounts of substances being emitted from the compost process. It's important for the health and well-being of the workers at the compost facility, and it's important for the well-being of the neighbors surrounding the compost facility. This small compost bin is a valuable tool to help us understand the substances being emitted during the compost process. At this time, in this bin, there's a blend of 50% food waste and 50% bulking agent. And we can measure the oxygen concentration, we can measure the temperature, and we can measure some of the gases as well as the air being emitted from the compost process. Two gases of interest include carbon monoxide and hydrogen sulfide. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas. It's a product of incomplete combustion, and we do see it at compost facilities. It's more of a concern for the health and safety of the workers inside the compost facility rather than for the surrounding community. Hydrogen sulfide, on the other hand, is important for both the health and safety of the workers as well as for the well-being of the surrounding community. Hydrogen sulfide is a product of anaerobic decomposition, and the less oxygen that we have in our compost process, the more hydrogen sulfide we can expect to be emitted. For the health and safety of the workers, it's important because high levels of hydrogen sulfide are known to have very negative health impacts. But hydrogen sulfide is also an excellent indicator compound for the other potential odorous substances being emitted during the compost process. Our noses can smell hydrogen sulfide in the parts per billion range, and we do have the technology to measure that. And when we measure hydrogen sulfide at very low concentrations, we can also be fairly confident that we're likely producing other malodorous or odorous compounds during the compost process. So that makes hydrogen sulfide measurement an important tool to understand the compost process. As we work to improve our regulations in British Columbia and beyond for the health and safety of our workers, as well as for the well-being of the surrounding community, it's important for us to understand and quantify some of these important compounds and substances being emitted during the compost process. My name is John Paul. I'm a waste management scientist. Thank you.